The Mental Toughness Handbook, a step-by-step guide to facing life's challenges, managing negative emotions, and overcoming adversity with courage and poise. Damon Zahariades. In the Mental Toughness Handbook, Damon Zahariades provides a step-by-step guide to building mental fortitude and resilience so you can confront challenges and navigate adversity. Mental toughness is a state of mind that you learn and earn through hard work, persistence, and patience. You build it by controlling negative emotions, cultivating your self-confidence, and reframing failures and setbacks as opportunities. Damon Zahariades is a productivity expert and owner of Art of Productivity.com, where he explores time management strategies, reviews productivity apps, and teaches people how to create habits to get more done and enjoy their free time. He has also authored other books on these topics, including The Time Management Solution and The Art of Letting Go. This guide is broken into 2 parts. In Part 1, we'll examine what mental toughness is and some of its key benefits. In Part 2, we'll discuss how to cultivate mental toughness. We'll also contextualize, compare, and contrast Zahariades' work with that of mindfulness, mental health, and other experts.